Hi guys, I'm Lindsay Strand, and today on Sweet Talk, I'm making a peanut butter and jelly milkshake. PB&J was one of my absolute favorite sandwiches as a kid, so I thought it'd be fun to turn it into a fun and easy dessert. So I'm starting with 2 tablespoons of Concord grape jelly on a burner. I'm just trying to heat this a little bit to loosen it up. So you can go on medium-low. I might turn it up a little bit here. Concord grape is kind of the classic PB&J flavor, but if you have another favorite, maybe raspberry or blueberry, strawberry, you could definitely use that too. You just want to make sure you have one that's smooth or you strain it out. You could heat this up in the microwave too. Just make sure you go in 10 or 15 second increments and whisk in between so that you don't end up caramelizing your jelly. All right, so this looks good. It's nice and smooth, so I'm going to transfer this into a piping bag. You could definitely use a Ziploc instead. And then I'm just gonna snip a tiny hole in the end of the piping bag. And here I have my milkshake glass. This has been chilling in the freezer. This is gonna help the jelly stay on the sides. So what I'm gonna do is pipe along the edges of the glass and just let it drip down. So we're creating little stripes. And the jelly adheres to the glass since it's chilled, giving it a fun design. And then you get a little bit of jelly in the bottom as a treat at the end of your milkshake. All right, that looks good. So now that I have my glass ready, I'm gonna pop this in the freezer for about 30 minutes to set up. So my glass has been chilling for a while, so I'm ready to start my milkshake. So here I have a pint of vanilla ice cream, and to that I'm adding a 1/4 cup of peanut butter powder. And this was actually the inspiration for this milkshake, because I'd been seeing peanut butter powder pop up everywhere, and I was like, what is that? And I thought it would be really fun to make something with all of that peanut flavor, but none of the stickiness of peanut butter. I just added 1/3 cup of whole milk, and that's it. I'm ready to blend. Just like that, we have our milkshake. So now I'm gonna grab my glass out of the freezer. All right, ready to have my milkshake. All right, that looks delicious. It smells like a PB&J. It's a good sign. And now to finish it off, I'm gonna top it with a little bit of lightly sweetened whipped cream. You know, I was kind of inspired by those crazy milkshakes you see everywhere right now. This one's a little bit pared down. It's simpler, you don't need quite so many ingredients, crazy accoutrements, it's just a PB&J milkshake. But there is one final touch, and this is courtesy of an awesome pastry chef I worked for, Steven. He had buttered toast on one of his desserts, and I just thought it was absolutely genius. So this is just toasted white bread, of course, because what kid didn't want white bread for their PB&J? And a little bit of flaky sea salt. Just tear it in half. Pop that in as your garnish. Grab your straw, and just like that, it's your PB&J milkshake. It's full of nostalgia, it tastes delicious, and it's another use for peanut butter powder. Enjoy. So good.